Hi friends, what's up? This is our careful 360 reader. It's time to learn how to download all photos from iCloud to Mac. For an extra layer of privacy and safeguard against accidental loss, we all prefer to sync our photos with iCloud. Widely touted to be the most secure cloud service, it not only provides the much needed shield to your images, but also the desired flexibility to manage them. So whether you want to view your stored photos, share them with anyone, or recover the recently deleted photos, it's got you fully covered. What's more, there is also a pretty neat way to download all photos from iCloud photos to your Mac's local storage. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First off, make sure you have enabled iCloud photos on your Mac and your computer is online. After that, open the Photos app and then select all photos by hitting Command+A keys, or by going to the Edit menu and choosing Select All. With all photos selected, pull down the File menu and go to Export. After that, choose Export Unmodified Originals. Then choose the location on the Mac to save the photos from iCloud Photos to. Yeah, you can download photos from iCloud to an external drive using this very method. Just make sure the external disk drive is selected as the destination. Note that if you have a large iCloud Photos library, this process may take a very long time depending on the speed of your internet connection. Smaller iCloud Photos libraries will download relatively quickly, whereas large iCloud Photos libraries and tons of videos will take quite a lot of time to download, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can download all photos from iCloud to your Mac. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.